My name is Callum Muir and I'm a technical consultant at EAS, the UK's leading UiPath partner. Welcome to our tips and tricks catalogue. This video will show you how to update the value in a dictionary where the key occurs more than once. So as an example, we have this table here, where the key, or in our case the ID, occurs more than one time. 1, 2, 3, 3 times. 4, 5, 6 just once, and 7, 8, 9 twice. And the values are something that we need to add up each time so that at the end we have one key and one value. Okay, so let's have a look in Studio and see what we can do. Firstly, with our read range activity, we need to create a data table. Once we do that, we create our new dictionary, and that's done by this new dictionary and then of the values that you want to create. So for us, the key is just a generic and the value is an integer. So we assign that to this variable here, new dictionary. Now for each row in our data table that we've created, firstly we're just going to throw out a message box to see what we're dealing with each time. So this is simply the key and the value converting to integer. So the condition that we use for each row is if we've seen that key before. So new dictionary, keys, contains, and then here we're spitting out the ID. So if we've seen that before, we come down this branch. Again, just a message box to see what we're doing at the time. And then we're assigning the key and the values to add that value, C integer, row item 1, to new dictionary, and then to this key, row 0 to string. So that's the row from the data table that will match up with the key that we found. If we've not seen it before, we come down the else branch and we simply use add to dictionary, using our convert to integer, row item 1 for the value, and then our row item 0 to string for the key. Finally, we're just going to spit out the output at the end, building a string for each item in our new dictionary so we can see what's happening. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3 our ID, 1 our value. Okay. Now we've seen this one before. So we go down, ID already exists in the dictionary, update the value. 7, 8, 9 for the first time, 1, 2, 3 again, and so on. And then finally, here's our updated dictionary. 1, 2, 3 with a value of 9, 4, 5, 6 with 2, and 7, 8, 9 with 10. Brilliant. It achieved what we needed it to. Thanks for watching. Why not head over to our dedicated RPA forum where you can pick up further tutorials, tips, or even post your own queries where our experienced consultants will be on hand. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more content coming soon.